O say Casa de nem ye ne de me say won to de tira person be casa de. Casa de nem de minti o. Wo kon he fa ne ye de. Wo kon ne ye o ya nka wutimi casa en to kakra. Come meet you so.
Say we shall not be some say oh my J.
The chip pepe penny. The chip pepe penny. My dear who go busa ni ye. Who go busa ni ye.
So my class days.
Eh, my class for bano. Who na hwe no? Who na me wakwa boni si na ko busa no ne. Eno dwe. Eno dwe no. Why wo nim se kuku. Wo ko busa obi a my dear na akwa ko busa no. Ah akwa ni ti se pastor office the nyum kutu you know uko busa na onye ode ene ye de be chamu mo so twede ho de obi ewu nso me ba wo moto mo twede bi ho nu kan ni de si na me mi hu de me yem
bisa no oyese ono do so ama jina se o asem o me man kan hwe o
eno anu obo no ano bo. Mienchi no what? See nyame adum moto. Mienchi. What did they make a job? Mienchi no ukwa kan wo so de sika nyina wo de sika wo de unu wa yiri mu mia o mene. Fabikan. Wo yo yisi de sinya wo ne wo de peso de wo na wa yiri no sinya wo na de an okun ntem kora. Okun what I say, Headmaster Monkande also. Headmaster go kumi, chop.
No family.
No family, no for down phone. School moi, akwa no enu so o ye no so yidi ndi o adwumponi what say no for adwumponi ko no ntrim. Adwumponi ko no ntrim. Na say no yonko ne magye. O mu nyina o mu nye papa. Adwumponi o mu nyina atrim. Eye kro magye no kwa fa ne ka ho bi. Ane ka ho so mu nyina o mu nye. Oni mu bi. Ye nchi o mu nyina.
But my gender.
Faba. The cast match or say, Fanny Panta was unim die.
No,
hey, Asamba one and you what can they say my jenny frame, send me drew my gay dick have bomb me quench pa and no a gun coy and away near the woman when you are chubby and this more you say from what's it?
My gender.
Obey you. The chip pop, obey you and no clean one, another honor. Another honor. Why when you say robots?
Madam, I heard you were called to the police station. What happened?
Why, who told you?
Oh, I heard.
Because I didn't tell you I was going to the police station.
I heard it.
I went there though, but I didn't tell you I was going there. So
and I said I heard it. I'm asking you.
Precious.
There's no need to know the person.
Yeah, I went there. I went to the police station. They invited me there. They say who is in charge of the case. And you know, automatically, like, yeah, we arrested a kidnapper and a criminal. So, for me going to the police station, it's not a big deal.
What happened there?
So, probably Aroma will automatically go to jail. Yeah.
What did they ask you? Why did they call you? That's the question I'm asking you. Why are you trying to ignore the question?
And I'm summarizing it for you that...
I don't want any summary. I asked you for a simple question.
They called me and they were just doing some further investigation. So everyone is involved. And even I think all the ladies at your hostel will be invited there. So yeah.
So you cannot tell me what they asked you.
They were asking me about Aroma.
Why did they call you first? I don't understand. They should have called me. Do you get it? You see, if they call my J, sure, then they'll call me. But I don't know why they are calling you.
Why should they call you? Were you part when you went to report the case?
I'm her friend. So because you went to report the case?
Yeah, because I was playing the leading role in that case. So I had to go and answer some questions. And for God being so good, I answered them correctly. And Aroma will go to jail and we all be free in this school.
Adams.
I know, okay.
What did you go to see?
They asked me about Aroma and Amabreta.
You and I know that Aroma is innocent. I don't know why you are dragging this kid. Just go and tell them that Aroma is innocent. It's a false accusation.
Are you ready to hear me out or should I walk away? Are you ready to hear me out or should I walk away?
I'm listening to you.
I'm trying to give you an explanation, and you're telling me Aroma is innocent. If Aroma is innocent, what will he be doing at the police house? Huh? They asked me about first. They asked me about Rita. They asked what was going on between I and Rita. Since I'm a student and she's also a student, not in a bad way though, but I was like,
why will you even be in a bad way?
So maybe you think
Come on.
you think different.
You and Rita, they was.
So yeah, so I think asked the policeman, say, it's my brother's sister, so why should they ask about me and Rita? We are cool. I don't know. Maybe went to. Let's forget about that one. So they were asking me about Aroma, and I told them, frankly speaking, Aroma is a bad guy in this school. He do drugs. He's a criminal. He's a womanizer. He's a gambler. He do all sort of bad things on this campus.
Adams, God will really punish you. What's the point of all this?
So why are you
all that you are saying is my J who rather does all these.
Hey,
so why are you reporting
Aroma
on that?
Innocent. My J, he's the most innocent guy on this campus. You
Why
don't know
like this?
You don't know
Adams, why are you doing this? Why? Why do you want God to punish you like this? Why?
I'm already receiving my punishment.
I can
you
tell.
You don't know what I'm going through.
I know you are going through a lot. And if you don't take care, you'll go through more than that.
And
I'm trying to take you out of it.
Unless Aroma leave this school, then otherwise I can't leave out of this.
What do you have against him?
Why are you doing this? You don't know what that guy is doing to me. You don't know what that guy is doing.
So tell me what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. Tell me. Because right now I see him as an innocent person. And you keep on accusing him of things he has not even done.
And I forgot to add that he even likes snatching people's eggs. I hope you know that. He likes snatching people's exes.
Why has he snatched your ex?
Aren't you the
one who even took me after he left me or after I left him?
It's not even, it's your own. It's your own.
So how did he take your ex? Has he taken your ex?
I took you. Like, I'm confused. I took you.
You see?
That Aroma guy.
Yeah, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica.
Adams, be very careful, pa. Design so they know me. Also press and I know top no. Say a more design, pa. Dear, minim. Sawa Aroma no. Wako police station one or about deal. Wako church in some more fifteen, some more cancel. Abodin.
From them, Okobomi did some idea.
Abodin. She mentioned your name.
For a he, I mean, Okobomi did some.
How I never share Maza.
Baby,
how can any program can argument Maza? Huh? Aren't you ashamed to teach me? I'm a teacher, then you teach me the thing. But you don't know the thing. But you try to teach me the thing. What is the thing?
The thing is he, not she.
The thing is the thing. It's the thing. Wawa Shegu. A bundle like you. Toy. Sima. Nesta. Magnimster. Esther. Nemista. Wabudin sisia enti sa school mo na wonnam no. You're very careful. Now you're trap. You're trap. Would them for CID for no.
Police station
Adams, who will say about me now said let me wakudana.
That means what bomb me dinyas am ho betche me to police station one.
No for say we kwajini. Who can some decide Ghana mla no na we. Who na we mla no. Who Ghana mla wo na we. Na wonam Ghana ha na mla nchi wa wo se ha de mla bia nia. You see? Show here. Sao say Hana won nama. What put up for job any master no. What he now to trap him. No mo chiwa me wo for me ni bio. Adwuma na me ye wo ma te se me sebu kapre. Me sebu afsafo afra me say me mra no mu ntwa bi din from da bi akwansa am di tum wu nti. Afsafo twa ma ye prim. Me di kapre. Me tuwe ma count me say wu nti owo. How? Adams, I told someone. How? I must show me. When you are boarding, what's it?
What do
you expect me to go there?
We
speak English. Why do you expect me to go there?
Go to the CID and tell him that I don't know anything about this case.
Me
so that
go,
we cancel the case.
but you can go to CID to tell CID say you are out.
They will arrest me. I
Who they arrest you? I'm Mozakasu no Jamu. Cowards in no Jamu. Would you my two for minim say see now born a man a quarter hospital one and no one some almost show. Now the 90 year then to chew an amount say never bearded doom come sa so more and Abu what
if man said I'm a born catch almost a man said that Nanka be beer to each other. That boy from come bet to me from me to me offer. Yes, sir. You think I'm cooperate? I'm most normal. Who
say? Why? I'm to shame. Why? Stop it, or you are student.
Offer.
And then who won't see books to cry some of the best school them fear. I didn't drink my jabus no fear. Man can be as Cassages and then be an uncle books to cram. And then who will team into me book? Now that tell me, Adams. Now who?
What about the same? You are Precious, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Do you know Adams?
Yes.
You know Adams. How do you know him?
He's a very close friend of mine.
Nothing but just close friend.
He's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend. Wow. How old are you? 19. And you have a boyfriend whilst in school. You think it's funny? Okay. So, do you know Rita? The missing girl.
Yes.
Who is she to you?
She's a very close friend of mine.
She's also a close friend. Everybody is a close friend to you. Is that so? Is she your roommate, your course mate, or how do you know her?
When she came to the school, she needed help in math and science, so I decided to help her.
Okay, so you know that she's missing, right?
Yes.
How did you come with that information? How did you get to know that she's missing?
Certainly, Aroma came with flowers. So on that day, he came that he was looking for Amma and then they had to go out and all that. And I told him I didn't know where Amma was. It was from that day that we didn't find Amma again.
So, meaning when was the last time? I just want to know the last time that you set your eyes on Amma.
The day before that, before I slept, I didn't see her. Mostly I see her in the dormitory. Like before I sleep or something, we talk or we study. But that day, I didn't see her. So I thought maybe she even went out with Aroma and came late. That was the last time I saw. The day before Aroma brought the flowers. I can't remember the exact date.
Do you know any relative of Amma? Any relative of Rita? Do you know?
My G.
The brother, the one who reported the case.
Yes.
And what is their relationship? I know that they are siblings. I understand that. But when you are in school, for school, and then they will be in your common party, and I said, what do you know? I want them to say.
It's very bad. Michael always beats them. And then she always comes to complain to me, and then she doesn't want me to tell anyone. So, like, I've not been able to tell anyone.
Don't cry, relax. Don't cry. So, how often does she report to you?
Oh, mostly whenever we learn, like I see scars on her, and then she tells me that it's my J.
The brother.
Yeah, so when this incident even happened, that we held like
how brother or biological sibling?
I don't really know. We just found out. They've been in this school for some time now, but we never knew. We just found out that she's related to my J.
Okay. Matty. I know what's in a frail. I know what's in a but let me be true. And then Gen Z generation here, you go in And then we bring a course beyond imagination. What I say? Your parents are investing a lot in you. So focus. You have only one agenda, and as a student, you have only one responsibility and one duty, which is to learn, nothing else, nothing more. You understand what I'm saying? And to my someone said, and Adams now way. Focus on your things on the actual operator. Though we don't know her fate. But we don't know her fate. And can well be there. So focus on your things. This is a piece of advice that I can offer you. Into medicine. Tell me for a while, to be here. Let's see, you want me to myself. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with me, yeah. Me person me come any months so Jamaica.
Good afternoon. You called for us. Yeah, I called you. I want us to discuss something about this girl's condition. Seer. Yeah. Because we were there when the school nurse came to tell us she is responding to treatment. So I don't know. What do you suggest we do?
Okay, Iddi, thank you for bringing this issue on board. Of late, I've been battling with that within me, and then I think it's time we have to inform her parents. Seer has a parents; they are all alive. We've done our best for the betterment of her sickness, so I think it's time we inform her parents, so they also come to board, so we both know how to carry the whole thing about it.
No. Ebi atini druno oko involve the parents no and the family. E mo ba asem ni mu a. E school na mo ya me eton. How? No. Akwana na ye de isha la te ko beto. Iti wo ya se ko sisa ne family na asem na ko ya kese. Ke bia na tse ye school na de. Chesensem ne sisi wo.
Say my, we have to know that Seer has parents.
I know.
And they brought her for us to nurture her. The lady is sick. Why don't you have to inform her parents?
Sir Blackie, I wonder why you were battling with this. Is she your daughter?
No, sir.
So you were battling with it and you couldn't sleep and you were doing
Sir, if you don't inform her parents, the time they come, they may reprimand us that we didn't tell them anything about it.
And whose neck will be on the chopping block?
It's you, rather, sir.
Then why should you be battling with it?
I'm a student here.
Are you a student here?
Sorry.
She's a frustrated.
Sir Black, are you a student here?
Sir,
you're not a student.
It was a slip of
You
tongue.
are a teacher.
You are a teacher.
Haven't you made a mistake before?
Let me tell you something. What you're saying, well, that's your opinion, but it will be the last of the opinions to be bought. Simply because we bringing her parents now wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make any sense because under normal circumstance, if really we had wanted them to know, we would have informed them earlier. You understand about her situation or her condition, but not now. So now that she's responding to treatment, let us get glued to it. Let us see her through, and then I don't think it's good for us to tell the parents. Not now. No.
Oh, so okay, I've heard you.
I called you to tell you one thing with regards to that condition, simply because the CID came to me that he interrogated one of our boys, specifically Adams, Scanty, and then Scanty told Aroma and Scanty they had some misunderstanding, and then since Aroma said Scanty, hits her and then do blah blah blah, but I debunked it. I told the CID it's not true. So in case he passes behind my back to ask any one of you,
This one we call Headmaster.
you just tell the person they were playing and then Unfortunately, she fell. So we sent her to hospital and she's very okay. That's what I told her. So in order not to wash our dirty linen in the public, I think we should hold on to that.
But unfortunately, they hold the thing.
Could you please come back again?
Get take his decision now.
No, Eddie said you should come back again, so we do what he said.
I said unfortunately, the CID upset that.
No, he agreed actually. He agreed to what I told him. That he's not going on that case. He's handling the one before him now. So I think we are good to go.
You are the Tatiana, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You know Rita, the missing girl. What is your relationship with her?
I'm your closest friend and we are in the same class too.
So how did you know that she's missing?
I heard this rumors.
You heard rumors.
And our headmaster came to us.
Okay. And as she is your closest friend, you claim that. When was the last time you set your eye on her? What was the story?
It was the last night before I heard she's missing.
Okay. And one in the brand them to say, Mike.
They are cool.
They are cool. That's what you say, that they are cool.
Yes.
We are someone telling you.
You're cool.
So, and that Michael only Aroma attempt to say. At the end, of course, Michael Aroma attempt.
I'm not sure that you're fine.
At the end, of says, when you the idea triggered that thing.
My chick doesn't want her sister to make her with them.
Oh, okay. And what about Adams? Do you know Adams?
Yes, I do.
Only Aroma attempt to say. Then the war Adams, then Aroma attempt. Omo Baba, Omo and answer them. Omo Rita, the day
they've dated the same girl before, so they are not fine.
Okay, so they have a history. I know it's not to myself. Like I said, get up with the war school for maybe more time. Those sent with the case now. I said, relationship for more time. But that's to be the same. That's not to myself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Monsieur Maye, Monsieur Maye, Monsieur Maye. Say Maye. Say in the remember when you me pedem dawasi. Say I mean from the
come out of the hour a casa be one.
Inyo oh there menya yi kakra.
Anya keda.
Inyo menya ake.
I was there it's make a hospital.
I no
I can't get a medicine.
Inyo maka get medicine. Where brem on chiri bi. Inyo.
No. About
say to only the infant kitchen. Messing them ribbon when you know or your Thanksgiving na doena a insurance council change because ada ya no
FM day. Ow, AR. So you yaman almost money one bottle now. Come up, but when we're on the door.
So how to fetch him? Say ye. Say ye. I say ye. Oh, say ye. Yanka. I say ye. Ah, say ye. Oh, say ye. Oh, she allow me. Say ye.
Our agent kaka.
Oh, say.
In there catch him there almost alumi.
I wish me kadem we dey until lyrics ni. Oh,
I never catch him there Misalumia.
Oh, and Shalom. Now we change. I don't know. I
It's a panama.
Pocho debi.
Ow, on your main paper.
Me pocho debi.
I'm in your plan on you.
Me pocho awa.
I'm a chain. I want to know to mama.
Me pocho I want to.
I'm a shoe. I want to know to mama.
Pocho who designer the one person I cut to
was. Can't you shame?
Oh, say change.
Can't you shame? I'm no Zagua. Yin Zago. Huh?
I say, on the phone to him. This is say, since I'm study the way I school, why you want. Not the way I shamina Santuan Nani saying there, one chill be your bow, Yamena Pumbibia intact. Say chins, Unyami unshrow. Unyami unshrow, say chins, because Upian school obey him deal. Hey, say because I am point out the AY the AY no makume too. But say change I senior man ashiendo.
Fanfula the boy area papa. I'm a fa.
Oh, say.
Enyim da. Enti amese me memfo nipotuntum adamfo za nipotuntum. Memfo ba azamfo za wicked minded. But a Kenya benefita.
No.
A Kenya white lady.
White lady.
A Kenya white man.
White man.
A Kenya white children.
White children.
A Kenya white woman.
White woman.
You gid. I'm minim. You guilt. Enti aw e happy ba mabo aw nyim dem for us.
I will say change on the young show him. No. Say change Mr. With the as Antoine de Biortet some campus kakakra they are checking 1212.
Hey, our extra to ya na me hu there. Our best point mam kaka. Our best point mam kaka. Our destination mam kaka. Our life mam kaka. Our abrabo mam kaka. Our lifestyle cry mam kaka. And so su mind to say mam kaka. As me new year pa mam kaka. Anyway,
Debendi.
How the in himself no there.
Searches. Searches.
Jimmy so the way.
Searches.
Yeah.
Hey sir.
How
Wow.
I'm a 400.
Oh, right. Say you can do no qual. I say Miss Wama men who are dibi. The we are bibia kuno Wama men who are dibi there. School hano, new school and kuti abrabunum. Boni bie beye bian. Eye dena no kwano obeded. Now what's you reap what you sow. The Wama matters. Hey, in this life, boni bie be consequences. Eh, the name they see corner there then obi baba to now what to what say chase ada what the be yo. Hey, this life they need their bonu, their bonu cra.
What happened? What happened?
Oh, sir, BBC you.
No, I said what happened? I'm speaking English. Can you speak English?
Yeah, I can speak English.
So what happened?
Sir, you know the way you are helping me, it has touched my heart. Sir, I love you. You are great. You are amazing. The way you are helping me.
Are you doing me bad?
No.
Are you set me up?
Why will I set you up, Sir Chains?
Are you disgracing me?
Disgracing you?
But why you say I'm to be excuse for your language?
No, say I'm just saying it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sure.
You see, there are many bad people in this world.
Oh, sure. Now I get you.
Yes.
Now I get you.
Some are tall, some are short, some they have sakura with beard, and then every day they'll be wearing chains, those things. They'll be walking around in town.
Obi ide acho hene ntem abananim da. Ohene tonton obi ide agrapple da.
Obi agrapple.
Amzubo wam na ma agrapple what? Wo tore bia na wa adwene te say.
Oh say.
Mama wa de wo ka se mesisi so wasa de ne nam sa no so de.
So ne dem amemre chema asem no mu keke. Mesi na ase na me dem se me ko to bia na. Na me ndefo.
Yeah.
Say cheese. Teacher be in school watch now. Hey, the guys.
Yeah, now so I shall see you school. What? No cook Santua because Santua any more you mean or what?
Oh, no, quite something I make there then. Missy de a bit giano. On one a bed and a bit sha.
Totena, I learned you at the police station.
Yes.
What did you go there for?
They called me to ask me some questions.
So you went to the police station without telling me they've invited you?
It was unexpected. I didn't know.
I keep telling you, you are stubborn. Eh?
No, okay.
Na bugaki nkashe o.
No.
Na ifushishe bugaki pang kifadi shike no kimutu. Yeah.
It was unexpected.
So the police called you to ask you questions. You went there without telling your father. Even if I'm not your father, I'm your headmaster.
Is it not wise for you to tell me, oh, the police have invited me, I'm going there, so should they ask me any question, how should I answer? Is it not wise?
You were not in school and you've taught me how to talk, so I didn't bother to tell you.
Hey.
Sorry.
So you are wiser than I am now?
No, I said you've taught me. No, Kuri.
What did they tell you? Or what did they ask? Tell me.
Bye-bye.
Hey!
They asked me of Rita. Her whereabouts.
And what did you say?
I just told them. I don't know, because the last time I saw her, it was just the last night he got missing. That's what I told them.
So you were able to tell them she's not around?
No, they know she's not around, so they asked me the last time I saw her. And I just said the last night he was missing, that's all.
You, this girl.
Oh, yeah.
You're asking me, Yaya? Your mother? Ghana is longer than Africa.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months so me ya.
Big boy. Big man. Hello. Big brother. Please, I wanted to have a conversation with you. It's quite urgent. Can you bear with me so that I tell you what's on my mind, please?
Is it a joke or what?
Oh no, see, seriously, what's going on in this school? It's not nice. It's not nice.
Wait, calm down.
Oh.
Huh? What's all
I'm
this?
trying to have a serious conversation with you. I'm only trying to have a serious conversation. See, the boy that's... So you really led your friend to send Aroma to the police station? Hey! Can you be that wicked? Brother, see, it's not fine. Let's try and get the boy back. He's a lost soul. He didn't even commit. Oh.
It's not tough for my baby. Who the hell are you to tell me? Hey, go.
Oh, let me finish talking. See, the boy needs you right now. You can be a friend to someone you are not even a friend to. See, just give him the chance. Try and bail him out, okay? Try and bail him out.
Do you know you yourself, you have a whole big problem to solve.
Oh.
You know, you're focusing on someone's legal issue. Like, are you okay? When you talk every 30 seconds,
that's involuntary. It's involuntary. That's not relevant to this conversation, big man. It's not relevant. See, it's important that you help me bring Aroma back to the school. It's important that you do that. So you led your friend to help bring this boy into this misfortune.
And do you know?
And you are happy.
Do you know that Aroma guy is a kidnapper? Are you aware?
Aroma is not a kidnapper. He's not a kidnapper. I've not known him for long, but I See, let's be serious.
Bro, let's be serious. Let's first focus on your problem, okay?
What problem?
You have a very big problem.
There's no problem. The only problem here right now is that the boy is in prison. And you are happy. See, don't let someone's downfall be your happiness. Don't let someone's downfall be your... Come on, behave. Don't let someone's downfall be your happiness. He's a boy like you. Oh.
I'm not even supposed to be standing here listening to you or even like arguing with you or having a normal conversation with you. You yourself have known you already, eh?
Hey! I only came to the school not long ago and you are threatening me.
And I have my own reasons.
What did I do wrong?
Are you not that same guy who have been
did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? See what you are doing to Aroma. Is it fair? If you were in his shoes, have a kind heart, okay? Just kind heart.
But calm down, okay? Okay. I'll try and help you solve your problem. Let's forget Aroma.
Why would you forget somebody? He's in jail. And you are saying we should forget him. You are here chilling or doing whatever you are doing. And the boy is in jail.
You came to this school not long ago, so you don't know what's going on in this school. Aroma is a womanizer, he's a drug addict, he's a bad guy, he's a guy.
Lies! Lies upon lies! Why are you lying on the boy? Why? What do you get from it?
Boss, mama, I bet you. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I'm not supposed to be standing here to have this conversation with you or to argue with you here, okay?
You are discriminating.
Are you not the same guy who have been standing at the corners of this school with my girlfriend, Anderson?
What girl?
Huh? Don't you know Anderson is my girlfriend in this school?
I don't know anybody called Anderson in this campus. Why are you people all asking me about Anderson? I don't know anybody called Anderson.
You don't know Abigail?
No, who is Abigail?
Huh? The other school man.
Who is Abigail? I don't know Abigail.
You don't know, but just go.
But see, take my advice.
Hey, that's call the judge me, no person call.
Take my advice. It will help you.
Hey, I'll call it.
Asantuma. I wanted to ask you something about your pregnancy and stuff. Like, how close are you with Seer?
Nobody is close with you.
Really? I've been hearing some rumors and then it doesn't really sit well on my mind. That's why I wanted to ask you.
What rumors?
Oh, yeah, I heard that you've been going to his house constantly. So that's why. Yeah. They said that when you go, there are some days you can even go inside. They said something you don't even knock, you just enter into the house.
Who said that?
Oh, that's what they were saying. You know, the kids, every day they are bringing new things. But
they said I've been going to his house.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
They said they saw me?
Yeah.
They
said that some days when you enter the house, like, they don't even see you leaving. And I was confused. I was like, how?
Nah, Ubisa Maye na Maye Kacho se me benefit.
Oh, yeah, I didn't ask him. You know, that's why I came to you first. Because in case of anything, I have to come to you and then get confirmation, you know?
It was who say intro. Me won't free some minimum, you won't say me free school, Marco baby.
What's that for that one day? I can't tell. You know, I'm not with you.
Debbie, what was a Marco baby da?
For me personally, no, I haven't seen you going anywhere.
And my Obia qualify students no baby na how the bakers only my fee. Omoko could see in fee one woman me add. It's one the bakers only my fee in school has said. Na me call my fee where they make where they want my fee.
Yeah, it's what they said. Oh. That's why I'm coming to you, you know.
Stop listening to them, please.
So it's not true.
No car then can be so some mechanical send me call.
Oh, they said there is no hostility in
there
this.
There is no truth in it.
I won't trouble you. Yeah. For me, if I've got my answer, there is no problem. I won't trouble you with it again. You told me that you've made some food at the place, right?
Yeah. Rice bowl. Yeah.
And I'm quite there.
Granite. Soup.
Now, what's a crab maybe tomorrow?
Definitely.
Now, send me put you under situation and then they wait us.
It's your choice. I know me now. Why?
You may make a could you want to the over your job, no problem.
Okay.
But sometimes so, pay them a catch out there. You could be away, I catch them.
No crabbing.
In life, work I'd be there, say. I'd be a while, I would there can and can and soon the minion man bar. I hell nay jana be cool. That's why the milk cry.
Yeah, DJ.
And I worry. Then we won't tell you sometimes.